Hi, this is Oral Communication. I'm Shara. Welcome to our class. Do you have a friend on Facebook who is from a different country? What about a friend on Facebook who is from a different province? Let's say he's from Manila and you're from Mindanao. And do you communicate often? Well, if you do, what you're doing is intercultural communication. And in today's lesson, these are the words that you're going to learn. First is intercultural communication. Intercultural communication is the exchange of messages between and among people with diverse cultures. While culture means the total of the inherited ideas, beliefs and values, and knowledge that constitute the shared basis of social action. That is according to culturedictionary.com. Do you agree that modern technology has kept us in touch with people all over the world? I do believe so. We have a lot of friends from different countries. We chat with them, even though sometimes they speak Spanish, but because of the Google Translate, we can communicate with them effortlessly. However, there are things or points to ponder on when we are doing intercultural communication. First, we need to start assessing our capacity for intercultural communication. Otherwise, we can get into trouble because many nonverbal expressions are culture-bound. We have to be careful. Second, cultural beliefs and practices are distinct, hence, you need to consider the culture of the person you are communicating with to avoid misunderstanding or hurt his feelings. And third, intercultural blunders might happen if we are not aware of the beliefs, customs, traditions, behaviors, and norms of other cultures. So what do you mean by intercultural blunders? Here we are going to see different examples. The first example here is Pepsi. It has a slogan which says, "Come alive with a Pepsi generation." However, in Taiwan, it means Pepsi will bring your ancestors back from the dead. What about this one? This is KFC. And in Chinese, finger licking good means eat your fingers off. Nice car, isn't it? This is the Chevrolet Nova. However, in Spain, they tried to sell it. But in Spanish translation, no means no and va means go. It only means that this car does not go. So those are the examples of the intercultural blunders. Now, there are cultural differences in nonverbal communication. It depends on the country, and we are going to give examples for each. Under eye contact or gaze, facial expression, gesture, touch, posture, time, physical space, and smell. Under eye contact or gaze, if you want to go to Japan, you have to avoid prolonged eye contact because for them, this is offensive. Under facial expression, there is a huge difference between America and Germany. In America, Americans smile freely at strangers. However, in Germany, they avoid smiling at people. Under gesture, in Japan, when people nod at you, it means it's a sign of respect. However, this practice is rejected in the America. Under touch, there is a certain culture in Asia wherein touching the head of a child is prohibited because it said that it would damage the child's soul. Under posture, in Ghana, if you cross your legs, for them that is offensive, so you shouldn't do that. Under time, in America, if you're invited to go to a party, you have to be there a bit late because for them it is a sign of politeness. under physical space, or what we call proxemics. In America, they really observe social distancing, or standing in front of each other at an arm's length. Only intimate family members can come closer. Under smell, don't you know that in Arab countries, your body odor is normal? That you don't need to put some deodorant? So that is the cultural differences in nonverbal and verbal communications. So, do you have any idea, or can you share some of the cultural differences in nonverbal communication? Would like to hear them. And by the way, this is the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have learned something. Till next time, goodbye.